Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suhani. Now I will explain about investment. Okay, what is an investment? An investment is an asset or item acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. Appreciation refers to an increase in the value of an asset over time. When an individual purchases a good as an investment, the intent is not to consume the good but rather to use it in the future to create wealth. An investment always concerns the outlay of some capital today, time, effort, money, or an asset in hopes of a greater payoff in the future than what was originally put in. For example, an investor may purchase a monetary asset now with the idea what the asset will provide income in the future or will later be sold at a higher price for a profit. An investment involves putting capital to use today in order to increase its value over time. An investment requires putting capital to work in the form of time, money, effort, etc. in hopes of a greater payoff in the future than what was originally put in. An investment can refer to any medium or mechanism used for generating future income, including bonds, stocks, real estate, property, or a business, among another example. How in investment work? The act of investing has the goal of generating income and increasing value over time. An investment can refer to any mechanism used for generating future income. This includes the purpose of bonds, stocks, or real estate property, among other examples. Additionally, purchasing a property that can be used to produce goods can be considered an investment. In general, any action that is taken in the hopes of raising future revenue can also be considered an investment. For example, when choosing to pursue additional education, the goal is often to increase knowledge and improve skills in the hope of ultimately producing more exams. Because investing is oriented toward the potential for future growth or income, there is always a certain level of risk associated with an investment. An investment may not generate any income or may actually lose value over time. For example, it's also a possibility that you will invest in a company that ends up going bankrupt of a project that fails to materialize. This is the primary why that saving can be different from investing. Saving is accumulating money for future use and entails no risks, whereas investment in the act of leverage money for a potential future gain and entails some risk. Tips, tips of investment. Economic investment within a country or a national economic growth is related to investment. When companies and other entities engage in sound business investment practice, it typically results in economic growth. For example, if an entity is engaged in the production of goods, it may manufacture or acquire a new piece of equipment that is to allow it to produce more goods in a shorter period of time. This will raise the total output of goods for the business. Taken in combination with the activities of many other entities, this increase in production could cause the national gross domestic product (GDP) to rise. Investment facilities and an investment bank provides a variety of services to individuals and businesses, including many services that are designed to assist individuals and businesses in the process of increasing their wealth. Investment banking might also refer to a specific division of banking related to the creation of capital for other companies, government, and other entities. Investment banks underwrite now debt and equity securities for all types of corporations, aid in the sale of securities, and help to facilitate merger and acquisition, reorganization, and broker trades for both institutions and private investors. Investment banks may also provide guidance to companies who are considering issuing shares publicly for the first time, such as with an initial public offering or IPO. Investing versus speculation. Speculation is a distinct activity from investing. Investing involves the purchase of assets with the intent of holding them for the long term, while speculation involves attempting to capitalize off market inefficiencies for short-term profit. Aggressive is generally not a goal of speculators, while investors often look to build the number of assets in their portfolios over time. Although speculators are often making informed decisions, speculation cannot usually be categorized as traditional investing. Speculation is generally considered a higher risk activity than traditional investing, although these can vary depending on the types of investment involved. Some experts compare speculation to gambling, but the veracity of this analogy may be a matter of personal opinion. Okay, thank you very much.